Hello everyone and welcome again to Teacherlookup Notes. Today we'll speak about the Pythagoras Theorem. And guys, just want to say, if you want us to keep spreading the education and want to help us to help others, please feel free to donate whatever you think is feasible, and we'll keep publishing the notes and spreading the education. That's our goal and aim for the website. As you know, we want to promote education, and we want to help people learn. So coming back to the Pythagoras theorem, this is personally my favorite subject. I was quite fascinated in maths about this. The Pythagoras theorem is a fundamental theorem in geometry. This theorem states that the square of the hypotenuse of a right-angled triangle is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So the hypotenuse of a right triangle is the side opposite the angle, and it is the longest side of the triangle. So this here is the hypotenuse, as you could see. In ABC, the side AC over here is the hypotenuse. It is the side opposite the angle ABC. So we could see that it's opposite A and B, and this is C, the longest side. So Pythagoras was a Greek mathematician, and the word hypotenuse comes from the Greek word hypothenusa. I can't say it, guys, which means stretching under. Pythagorean theorem calculation. The Pythagoras theorem can be written as an equation in a right-angled triangle. If A is the length of one side, B is the length of the second side, and C is the length of the hypotenuse, then the Pythagoras theorem states that C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So you can again go refer to this example. So C squared here will be equal to A squared plus B squared. It's fascinating, right? I wonder how Pythagoras figured this out. Also, did you know, in a triangle, if C squared is less than A squared plus B squared, then the triangle is an acute angle triangle. In a triangle, if C squared is greater than A squared plus B squared, then the triangle is a obtuse angle triangle. Finding the hypotenuse. The Pythagoras theorem states that for a right-angled triangle, C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Hence, we can find the hypotenuse C as the square root of A squared plus B squared, where A and B are the sides of the right-angled triangles. Guys, there are a few questions for you to practice, be comfortable with the subject. As I keep saying, we are always here to help. So please come to the website link. Please click on it. I'll put the link below in the description, and put any comments you have on this. I'll get back to you. We want to help you learn. We want to help you succeed in your, whether it be your exam, whether you want to understand it for just general purposes, or you're fascinated. We're here to help. So please feel free to ask us any questions, and we'll get back to you. Thanks, guys. Thanks for listening.